Welcome to Everyday Mysteries, where we uncover the fascinating tales hidden in the everyday objects around us. I'm your host, Ethan Carter, diving into the secrets that shaped our world, one object at a time. Let's explore what's hidden in plain sight. Today we're digging into a utensil you've likely used today, the spoon. Let's scoop up some fascinating facts and stir through its rich history. From stirring soup to serving sugar, the spoon is a kitchen essential, but it's so much more than that. Its story begins in the mists of prehistory, where shells and hollowed stones first did the job. Imagine the ancient civilizations of Egypt and Greece, where spoons were not only for eating, but were beautifully crafted pieces of art. These spoons were made from wood, bronze, even silver and gold, reflecting the wealth and status of their owners. In medieval Europe, carrying your own spoon was common practice. That's right. Traveling with a spoon was as crucial as having a knife to eat, as forks were still a rarity. Picture sitting at a bustling medieval feast. If you ask someone, "Why bring your own spoon?" they might reply, "Would you trust the cleanliness of someone else's spoon?" As we move into the Renaissance, spoons in Europe began to evolve. The wealthy adorned their spoons with intricate designs and even family crests, a far cry from the utilitarian objects we often think of today. And then came the Industrial Revolution. Mass production kicked in, and suddenly spoons were not just for the wealthy. They became everyday items, affordable and accessible to all. Today, spoons come in all shapes and sizes, from teaspoons to ladles. They're made from a variety of materials, each suitable for different tasks. The humble spoon has even entered the digital age, with measuring spoons that digitally weigh ingredients as you cook. Thanks for joining me on today's journey into the past. Remember, there's wonder all around us, just waiting to be discovered. Subscribe to stay updated with our weekly mysteries and more curious finds. This is Ethan Carter, signing off until next time.